Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a very useful option that QTI has that allows us to kind of predetermine the style of our plots. When with this we can hopefully save some time when we are making our QTI plots prettier. So let's start. To do this we go here to the top to the option Edit, click on Preferences, and then click on 2D plots. As we can see, we have here several options, several boxes. Here we are going to be doing all the modifications we want according to the style or format that we want to set for our plot. So in this case, in options, what I usually do, all of this is up to you of course, but what I usually do is I remove the show title, I select the canvas frame. This I do because I usually like to be sure that I'm gonna have a complete square in my plot. The frame white, the white I usually set it as 3, and that's everything I'm going to do here. Then we go to curves. Here again I'm going to set the white as 3 to keep it consistent. We can also do this as 3. In error bars, in this case, for this example, I'm just going to keep it the way it is by default. Then we go to axis. Here I'm going to again set the thickness as 3. This is the thickness for the major and minor ticks. So just gonna then here usually or sometimes we like to keep only the labels that are on the left and on the bottom in those axes. In case you want this, so you just have to unselect the labels for the right and top axis. And for this example, I'm just gonna leave it like this to show it how it would be. And then we go to tick. Here we can change the length of our major and minor ticks. Usually I set this for major ticks, I do 25 and minor ticks 15. Then we go to grid. Here I'm going to unselect the option for grids because usually we aim to have publication quality plots, so that's the reason I'm just removing all the grids. In the case of geometry, speed, I'm just going to leave it the way it is by default. Fonts, again, this is up to you. In my case, I usually do 15 for legends, 20 for axis labels, and let's do 10 here. Then print, we leave it the way it is. We go and apply, okay, and only to show how the final result would be, I'm just going to plot this example here very quickly. We go to plot, let's do line, and here we go. This would be the format or the style that now it would be by default for our plots.